Welcome to Purple Circle Tulum.
I want you to think, whenever you have a potential client who you know you can serve, at this point, you have the mindset, you know that you can help them, and that they can be helped. I want you to think about, write down, what would that mean to you if you were to find that one thing?
Because one of our values is we actually want to help everybody. You might not be able to afford our service, but that doesn't mean we're going to hold anything back. It's here. Unfortunately, it means you have to do it yourself.
This was the final gamble, and I felt like a total failure. After working with Davis, after really working on myself a lot and speaking with a lot of friends and family, we turned things around.
You just have to learn something. If you're unable to judge if they do a good job, it's very, very hard to hire.
Don't bring your own limitations into the conversation. Objections are beliefs, and beliefs can change. Alright, so we're exploring the ruins together, the Tulum ruins, and we're gonna go through the mango grove first. So super excited for this.
One of the beautiful things about this conference has been learning new things about business, about growth, but then being able to reflect back and hearing from other people what they're learning. And it just makes the takeaways from the conference so much richer and more action-oriented than what I'm used to. So learning with everyone here has been just absolutely fantastic.